Let's try out this speaker. I must admit, this thing looks really cool. Like, really, really cool. Go under your Bluetooth settings and look for KO7. So for copyright reasons, we can't play music, but I can play you the audio with, so a video of our own. You can see I've been sweating a little bit. Shout out to my father for helping me. I'm gonna show you guys here. Let's take a trash bag. So, some of you guys might remember. All right, so off camera, I'm going to listen to the bass and let you guys know what I think of this little speaker. All right, so we tested it out. So it's actually, how do I say this? I love the design. I love everything about this. It's not going to be like a party speaker. So it's cool for a wireless speaker. It's got really cool design, but it's not going to be like that crazy loud bass. The volume can be turned up pretty loud, but you're not going to get that crazy bass. You're going to get a little bit of a pump and bump, but if you're expecting this for like a party, no, this is great for like a little desktop wireless speaker. So you put this on your desktop while you're working or doing something, or if you're doing the dishes, you set it beside and do the dishes, or for just display. But it is awesome. So I absolutely love this. I recommend it, but it's not for a gathering of people. It's not for like a bunch of people, in my opinion.